These MCs dropping dollars, I'm dropping knowledge. Listen up. Assets are a debit, liabilities a credit. That's the balance sheet now, don't you forget it. Income is a credit, expense is a debit. That's the income statement, that's right, I said it. The dopest accountant you ever did see. Ezekiel CPA, that's me. Though it sounds intricate, you shouldn't be stressing. Accountant 101, I'm teaching you a lesson. Ha, look at these crooks, they've been cooking the books, yeah. Cooking the books, straight cooking the books, yeah. See what they took, they've been cooking the books, yeah. Cooking the books, but numbers don't lie. Pretty young thing, big booty bouncing, asking me if I could be her accountant. Said you're a baby, but I'm not a bookkeeper. Don't skim the surface, prefer to look deeper. That means that you got to know the basics. Accountant 101, I know you hate it. It's really quite simple though, just learn the language and you won't be stuck in financial anguish. Start with the balance sheet, must always be balancing. If you have control, then it shouldn't be so challenging. Debits to the left, credits to the right. Balance sheet is kinda like a snapshot in time. Assets equal liabilities plus equity. Got a lot of that, so you better show respect for me. Make a T account for every transaction. Equal on both sides to the last fraction. Assets are a debit, liabilities a credit. That's the balance sheet now, don't you forget it. Income is a credit, expense is a debit. That's the income statement, that's right, I said it. Dopest accountant you ever did see. Ezekiel CPA, that's me. Though it sounds intricate, you shouldn't be stressing. Accountant 101, yeah, I'm teaching you a lesson. Ha, look at these crooks, they've been cooking the books, yeah. Cooking the books, cooking the books, yeah. See what they took, they've been cooking the books. Cooking the books, but numbers don't lie. Income is your revenue, sale plus interest. Credit that and debit cash for a cash business. If you don't get cash, then it's a receivable. When they say I'll pay you back, it's not always believable. Book it on the balance sheet, minus uncollectibles. Only deal in credit if the customer is respectable. When they pay it back, debit, cash, credit, what's due? Make sure that money's flowing back to you. Simple way to do that is a reconciliation. Is the cash in bank matching what's on paper? Adjusted for uncleared items in transit. These bandits can't stand it when you catch them red-handed. Depreciate assets, machinery, equipment, furniture and fixtures. Know that there's a difference. If you got real estate, depreciate the building. Land stays the same though, let's go make a killing. Assets are a debit, liabilities a credit. That's the balance sheet now, don't you forget it. Income is a credit, expense is a debit. That's the income statement, that's right, I said it. Dopest accountant you ever did see. Ezekiel CPA, that's me. Though it sounds intricate, you shouldn't be stressing. Accountant 101, yeah, I'm teaching you a lesson. Look at these crooks, they've been cooking the books. Cooking the books, straight cooking the books, yeah. See what they took, they've been cooking the books. Cooking the books, but numbers don't lie. Numbers don't lie. Men might, woman might, but numbers don't lie. Numbers don't, no they don't lie. Men might, woman might, but numbers don't lie. Buddy, you couldn't pay my fee. Now repeat after me. I said assets are a debit, liabilities a credit. That's the balance sheet, don't you forget it. Income is a credit, expense is a debit. That's the income statement, that's right, I said it. Go jump, space bar.
Yeah. Do it.
These MCs dropping dollars, I'm dropping knowledge. Listen up. Assets are a debit, liabilities a credit. That's the balance sheet now, don't you forget it. Income is a credit, expense is a debit. That's the income